I need the plates for the radio to go on, and I hope it's all gonna fit nice and flush without any problems, but you never know. We'll see that in a minute. I think this should be the one where to attach it, but we will see when I actually put it in and try to put a fascia over, and if there is any adjustments needed, we'll do them. I'm just gonna chuck that all in for now, just so I can test fit the Headunit. Put all these cables in there, out the way. So that goes in there like that. Yes, look at that. That fits absolutely perfect. That. So yeah, that's how I'm fitting it all in. I need to pop the fascia back out now, so I can install the Headunit in properly. And if I can get it up now. Right, that's the one side out. Let's do it side out. Yeah. Cool. So now I can put everything in. Right. Need to find the spot for this USB. I hope it's gonna go through there. It would be really handy. Oh, actually, I'm gonna put it in the glove box. Yeah, I'm gonna send it to glove box. That will be easier. Yeah, that will be the right way of doing it. Oh shit, I'm done through here. Yeah, if you put your phone, you just hold it in the glove box and happy days. Yeah, we'll send that stuff to there. And so mic plugs into here. I'm gonna put some tape around it so nothing comes loose. And so what do we have? Headunit plug in, areal, subwoofer. We'll tape that up as well. With a Kenwood radio, you're gonna have to get this splitter because it's only got one subwoofer out, unfortunately, which is quite stupid, really, but never mind. But alright, sub, the DAB areal, whenever it wants to come out. Come on, you little shit. Right, DAB areal. What else have we got left is just the power cables. Like that. And I believe we're all good to go. Well, I might as well put the put this ground wire onto the casing. You never know. Might make a difference. But yeah, that's that. So that's that all in. Yeah, let's put the screws back in. Unfortunately, one screw is missing, but never mind. Never mind. There we have it. This doesn't want to come up for some reason. Probably just catching up with something. But never mind. Right, let's check that everything works. Looks absolutely brilliant, and yeah. So, no, DAB.
Age and claim limits and license restrictions apply. Excludes Northern Ireland. Underwritten by UK Insurance Limited.
We've got. Sounds nice. I think I nailed with a sentence straight away.
And claim limits.
Oh, we don't have Mr. Kids, do we, love?
Right.
But they've all got the bedrooms for when they want to.
BT audio. I don't want my fucking videos to get muted. I think sometimes get muted Ryan Syria and something like that, so I'm not really fussed really, but hey. Alright, come on. Bring it on. Right, here we go. Nice bass. Get rid of this stupid demo. Demo off. Front speakers on. Let's set the front about 120, rear ones, 120 at minus 12 slope, rear on. We're doing 100, 6 decibel slope, equal let's give it some more tweak. something like that. To be honest, I can actually go over on here.
On the front of my teeth, then take a look at my wallet and think, no, this weren't cheap. 24 hours, no 1 week of sleep. I'm looking at my nails, they got dirt underneath. No energy left, I have to admit defeat. Another 24 hours of my life I can't keep.
Let's put a different tune on.
When it comes to house every weekend, when it comes to house every weekend, when it comes to house every weekend, house every weekend, house every weekend, when it comes to house.
Nearly all done. Fucking hell. No more. Aye. Right, yeah, I believe I'm gonna leave it at this. Sounds actually fucking loud, like, but it should do. Right, so that is all in. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to put the glove box back in, tidy up all the cables for the subwoofer. I'll show you what at the end of it, what it's all when it's all done, cleaned up and all that. So yeah, but this is all done. Sounds cool. Sorry for my hiccups. Somebody's not thinking about me. Probably be the owner because he's wanting his car back. His little baby. But yeah, that's it. I'll be back when it's all finished, put all back together, and I'll give you a walk around. There you have it. It's all tidied up. Here's the cables. I've left all this long run for a reason, because I'm gonna be doing a boot build in this one in the near future. So for the time being, this is spot on. Interior is all in, everything's nice and clean. Front has all been put back together too. So let's do the last. So I wanna put some songs on. I wanna check how it sounds when I'm sitting in the back. We'll start the car really. So it's all proper how it should be. Yeah, remembers it all. Is the equalizer's all set here, everything's in, everything's right. So from the first glimpse, everything's in. I've got a USB in the glove box here on the top compartment there. That's all taken nicely. Yeah, speakers, front wipes, edge rears. Old Fusion subwoofer in the boot. Sounds decent. Sounds decent in the front. And we've got the freaking snow again. In the back. Sounds decent too. So like I said, don't get deceived by edge speakers, even though they are cheap. But you could see the size of the magnet and everything. So for a budget build, like for the rears especially, because normally you just put the best ones in the front. You put the best stuff in the front, the loudest stuff and stuff like that, because that's where you are sitting really. So you need to hear all the good stuff from, who gives a shit about passengers? But that's one point of view really. But yeah, you still can use stuff like that, like cheaper stuff for the back. Yes, when you want a completely full sound, like 360, everything's like up to the top notch, go for more expensive stuff than what I've put in here, to be honest. Even for the front, go for some GL audio or whatever you want. As long, it depends on your budget, how much do you want to spend. But this install, I believe, is about 500 quid or something like that. I haven't added all the things up because half of the stuff customer was buying, and I was just doing the install. So it's a little bit different, but I think all in total, minimum for a like budget upgrade like this, you're talking at least 500 quid minimum, just without a doubt. Obviously you can just do certain bits and not do rears and not do fronts, just chuck the sub, upgrade the head in it. Yeah, it will work better, but it's not going to be that what you get in here. But let's listen to some different music. Absolutely spot on.
Rain, I searched but never found.
Absolutely spot on.
I'm stressing you out, why don't you go? You're wasting your time with your lies, oh. You've been breaking me down, down tonight.
yeah, deck is flexing.
Again and again,
Let's go back in the front.
soon. I can't take no
Look at this fucking rain. So yeah, that's this all stuff is done. We've got Kenwood head unit, Vibe Micros 4-channel amplifier behind there, Vibe Slick C6 V7 components and doors, Edge Street Coke shells in the back doors, Alpine amplifier and Fusion subwoofer in the boot. That's it, peeps. The car is done, sounds absolutely better, and I'm gonna be ringing the customer now, letting them come over. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my this install on the Scooby, and like and share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for everybody who subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, you piece of shit.